Hi everyone. In this video, I'll walk you through how to generate and export a scorecard report to a CSV file in FN Dashboard. To begin, navigate to the scorecard page. Select the desired from and to date range for the report. For contractor users, select the appropriate chain store. Once your selections are complete, generate the report to display the scorecard results. From there, click the CSV button. After clicking the button, the page may refresh while the report is being processed. This is expected behavior and indicates that the report is being generated in the background. Once the report has finished processing, an email containing the CSV download link will be sent to the email address associated with your FM Dashboard user account. If you do not receive the email right away, be sure to check your spam or junk folder, as automated emails can sometimes be filtered there. This process allows scorecard reports to be generated in the background and delivered securely through a downloadable CSV link sent via email.